Basically, what a full outer join does in SQL is it combines information from two tables, making sure no data gets behind, and shows you all the matching and non-matching rows from both tables. Unlike the what's it called? Unlike the left and the inner join. Unlike the left and the inner join, what the full outer join does is it combines information from both tables, both matching and non-matching, making sure that no row, no value is what is left behind. We can look at it in this dimension. We can look at it in this dimension. Let's say you have groups of friends, right? You have group of friends and you are having a big party where you invite all friends from both groups, group A and group B. Here is what happens. Leftovers from group A, you gather all your friends from group A and make sure they are all at the party, right? If any of them are missing, you put them in the room and fill in their words, fill in their details. This ensures that everyone from group A is accounted for at the party. Now, you move over to group B. You do the same thing for group B. You make sure all your friends from group B are at the party, and if any of them as well are missing, you put them in the room and fill in their details as well. Good, right? Everybody is at the party. You have both your friends from group A and group B. Everybody is at the party. Now, you look around the room and you see all your friends from group A and group B. Some of them might have peers, right? Where one friend from group A is now what? Exchanging pleasantry to a friend from what? Group B. These peers represent the matches between the two groups based on some common characteristics, like having the same name, having the same age, maybe probably they went to the same school, they know themselves somewhere. So they are meeting at your what? At your party. So that is the what? That is the matching, the common characteristics between these what? Two people in the groups, from the groups, right? Now, at the end of the day, your party goes where no missing friends. After the party, you have a list of all your friends, including those from what? Both group A and group B. You make sure nobody got left out. So you have a complete picture of all your friends together. So this is how what full outer join works. And you can see from this illustration, you see, we have the list in group A, we have list of 4 friends. We have which ranges from 1, 2, 3, 4. And in group B, you have 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at it. When we join them together, you have a full list of your words or your friends from both groups. So that is the word. That is the background overview. The syntax is select the column list underscore list, the column list from A, full outer join B on B dot N dot A So this is the word. This is the syntax for full outer join. Note, let me put here. Let me make a comment. Note, the outer keyword is optional. The outer keyword is what? Is optional. It's optional. So let us have some examples. Now, what we are going to be doing here is quite different from what we've been doing. We are going to be creating a set of table. We are going to be creating a set of table. Now, example. Example. Let's create let's create 2 new tables. Baskets and fruit tables. This is what we are going to be creating. And we are going to populate this table in such a way that each basket stores 0 or more fruit, and each fruit can be stored in 0 or more baskets. So let us go. Create table fruits. We say what? Let's give it a fruit ID. Integer. Yes, fruit ID integer, maybe primary key. Then we have the fruit underscore name, which will be variable character, and let's say 225, the standard, 252, 255, I mean, not none. And then let us create a relationship basket, because we are going to be merging ID integer, basket ID integer. Let us close our parentheses. So let us run, execute this. Don't worry, bother yourself. We are using this one for practice. Create table. Moreover, our employee loves to take fruits. So baskets, this one will be basket, right? And what is basket ID, right? Basket ID will be integer, just like we did over there. If you start with the primary key, and then we have the basket name. The basket name will be the variable 255, not known as well, not known, right? Let us close our parentheses, execute this as well before populating our. Now, let us populate our database. The new table just created and let's populate some data. Okay, insert into basket. Insert into baskets. Then what column do you have now? We have the basket ID. We have the basket ID and the basket name. These are the two columns that we have. We close it, and then we have values, our words, 1, and we have a right, yes. We also have we have word 2, the second basket, we should have a B, close parentheses, always put what's it called here. Then we say we have the third basket, which will be C, right? Good. Let us insert. We've populated this. So let us go for the other one. Insert into fruits. What are we inserting to fruits? We are inserting the fruit ID, the fruit ID. We are inserting the fruit name, the fruit name. What do we have here? And the basket ID, and the basket ID, which is the foreign key here. Let us close this. And then the values, our values, you can put any, any fruit you think of. Now, the fruit ID 1, we put my favorite apple. That's the name, the basket ID 1. And we are fruit ID 2. We can put avocado or some, say banana, and that will be 1 as well. Let's put comma. What are we adding? The 3. Let's put strawberry. Strawberry. And then that will be in basket ID 2. And let's add one more fruit. 4. And then this cannot be the cherry, and this will be, let's put none. Let's put none. Let us execute. Good. Now, we now have some data. Let's see the two. Select all from fruits. Select all from baskets. Let us execute. And F5. All right, good. Here we have them. You can see our baskets. So let's go ahead. Let's continue. Now, we want to return each fruit that is in a basket and each basket that has a fruit, but also returns each fruit that is not in any basket and each basket that does not have any fruit. Oh, okay, let me put it here. Return each word, each fruit that is in a basket, and each word, each basket that has a fruit. At the same time, we want to return each word, each fruit that is not in a basket, and each basket and each basket that doesn't what, that does not have any fruit in it, right? This is what we want to do using the word, the full outer join. Now we say what? Select. What are we select now? The basket name the basket name, the fruit name, the fruit name from which table now? Fruit. We now say what? Full outer join baskets on basket ID equals to what? Fruits dot what? The fruit ID. And let us execute our query. F5. Can you see now? These are the baskets named A, B, and C. So there is a basket that doesn't what? That doesn't have any fruit in it. There is a fruit that doesn't have a what? A basket. That doesn't have a what? That doesn't have a basket, which is what? Which is strawberry. Which is what? Which is strawberry. Now, going forward from here, you can see the way we've used the word. The left, the words, the full outer words, outer join. See the way we've used the words, the full outer join. Let's say we want to get a specific information. To get a specific information, you can add a word, a where clause. To the statement. To the statement. That uses the words, the full outer join, plus to get more, to get the specific information. Now, in this case, we want to find any baskets which what does not store any fruit. Any fruit. We want to find any basket that doesn't store any fruit. It says select the baskets underscore name the fruit name from where are we fetching from? From fruits. Full outer join baskets on baskets dot basket ID equals to fruit dot basket ID. We'll now bring our where clause. Where fruit name is none. basket name is none. I see now. Basket C doesn't have a word, doesn't have any fruits stored in it, just one single row. Now, similarly, let's check which fruit is not in any basket. We check the fruit in any basket. We say select. What are we selecting? The basket's name, the fruit name, from fruit, full outer join what? Outer join baskets on basket ID equals fruit dot basket ID, where baskets underscore name is none. Are you see now? Basket name is what? It is cherry that doesn't have words, doesn't have a basket. One rule is what is affected. So that is how we make use of the words the full after join in SQL. Thank you.